Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to show you how to create a typography effect in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get started. After importing the image, we click on our keyboard to write our text. Then we are going by this, change the color to black. Then when you are done, we click OK. V on our keyboard to move it. Then convert this to smart object. Then rotate it like this. Then move it. Awesome. When that is done, click on Edit. Then click on Transform. Go to Warp. Alright. Then we are going to adjust it like this. Follow up. When you are done, click OK. Awesome. So what we'll be doing next is to duplicate this. Press on your keyboard, then move it to the top. Alright. Then let's add this. Right click on this, then create a clipping mask. Awesome. Then click on this, then create a map layer. Press Ctrl I to invert. So when that is done, click on P on our keyboard and make sure that you choose a add brush, then set the opacity to 100. Then we are going to brush it like this. Alright, as you can see, there's still a part, the black part are still showing. So what we can do is to click on this, then go to Select, go to Subject. Awesome. Then select this, then create a mask layer. Awesome, fantastic. As you can see, our work is perfect and awesome. Alright guys, with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section and let me know how you feel about this design. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. I will see you in my next video and bye for now.